Back now, I got my whole chickens here. About to open this bad boy up. Take the chickens out. Big old whole chickens, man. I don't know if I should do one because I don't know if anybody coming over or not, or should I just do both of them? I think I'm gonna do one, man, because just be on the safe side. Cause ain't nobody called us and told us that they was coming over or not. So I'm gonna be on the safe side. But if anybody was to come over, and we just make it work, you know. Oh shit! I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit! Ain't no sense to cooking 2 whole chickens if we don't know if anybody gonna show up or not. That's a waste of food. Yeah, that'd be a waste of food, fam. So yeah, our kids and everybody doing their own thing, man. Everybody's doing their own thing now, you know. So we try not to force it on them. If they don't want to come, it's okay. You know, either way it go, we have fun regardless. You know what I'm saying? We have fun regardless. Yeah, simply taking out the plastic with the gizzards and turkey neck thing inside of it. And I always save this for last, so I cook that with something totally different. Just right now, I'm just cleaning off my chicken. Make sure everything is good. Alright, so now I'm going to get my cutting board. Put it right here on the counter. And I'm going to cut off some of that excess fat. The chickens be having a lot of fat on it, man. Look at all this fat hanging out of it. Look at that. Big old thing of fat right there. You just can't cook, cook it like that, man. You gotta clean your chicken, man. Yeah, make sure y'all clean y'all chicken. Turkey has the same amount of fat too. Look at all that fat. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna put this in my container, and I'm gonna season this bad boy up, man. Yep. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice video for you guys. Trust me. All right. I hope y'all day is going good so far, fam. I really do. I really hope y'all having a beautiful, beautiful day. All right, now it's time to season this bad boy up with perfection. Because we about to smoke it for at least 5 hours. All right, some onion powder. Going right outside on that damn smoker grill. Some meat tenderizer. If y'all got some dry rub, hey, put that on that bad boy too. Some garlic powder. I love me some dry rub, man. Alright, some black pepper. I could have got these seasons and put them all together, you know that? But I didn't do it. Alright, just some accent. And made my own rub. But either way it go, it's gonna come out just fine. Alright, now some Szechuan seasoning. And this is gonna bring the color out. And when that chicken get done, it's gonna look good with that Szechuan seasoning on it. And I'm also gonna be using some apple cider vinegar and some water. No, some apple juice and apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna just put it in a nozzle bottle that I just bought. And I'm gonna be spraying it turkey. I'm gonna spray the turkey as it cooks. Not turkey, but chicken. Lord Jesus, I keep saying turkey. Yeah, that's what you do, man. Get you some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice and spray on that bad boy. Yeah, the chicken is nice and ready. Look at that. Well seasoned. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna let this marinate for a while. And I'm gonna be back, fam. I'm gonna go get that grill lit and ready for the smoke. Alright, fam, I'm back. This is just me adding apple cider and vinegar to my brand new spray bottle. I'm gonna start off with the apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit. And the rest is gonna be apple juice. Okay, excuse me. And this is what I'm going to be spraying on there every time I check it. But most likely I ain't going to be out there checking it all day. So I might be out there probably spray it like about 5 times during the process. And that's it, man. Yep. You only need a little bit of apple cider vinegar because it's so strong. You know what I'm saying? It's really strong. And put your nozzle back on there, and now you got your spray bottle. And that right there is gonna make your meat taste so good, y'all, when everything is done. Alright? Soon come. Be right back. Alright, fam, I am back. I'm out here in the backyard. I just cleaned out my grill, and I'm about to add the charcoal in it. And I'm gonna add my I'm gonna add, when the charcoals get white, then I'm gonna add a little, wood, apple wood. And this is the one I got. I got the barbecue apple wood. And this is pretty damn good, y'all. I tell you no lie, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna add some charcoal. Let that bad boy get hot. Then I'm coming with the apple wood. See, what you want to do is you want to put the charcoal on one side of the grill so you can have a hot side and a cold side. Always have a hot side and a cold side when you're doing smoking. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna get this nice and hot. Giving me hell, y'all. I almost failed. Let me try to light it. Alright, as you can see, I got it lit. So what I did was I bought up some paper that I tore from the charcoal bag, and I laid it up under the coals. And look at them bad boys. Them bad boys is fired up. As you can see, I got it burning on one side, and that's what we want. Okay. So I'm gonna let that burn like that, because it was Magic Light charcoal, so I ain't had to spray no lighter fluid in it. So yeah, as soon as them coals all get white, man, I'm gonna put a little bit of that apple wood in there and let that bad boy smoke, man. Then I'm gonna lay the rack on there, and I'm gonna come out with the chicken. All right, be right back, fam. All right, fam. I am back. You see I had put an aluminum pan down there, a little small aluminum pan, and you always supposed to start off by using hot water. Never put cold water in there, because you want your smoke to start right away, you know. Yeah, just fill it up, man, with some hot water, okay? And it's okay to keep that going, that fire going on that side, because that'll heating up that water even more, the way you need it to be. Okay, fam? So I'm about to go on to the next level. To finish letting this get hot, then I'm gonna add the apple wood in there. I let it smoke, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, fam, about to lay the chicken in there. Just like that. Put the lid down and let that bad boy smoke. And that's that. I'll let it smoke for 4.5 hours, y'all. All right, fam. Let's see how I'm doing with this chicken. Yep. We got 2.5 hours in so far. When I came out here last, I added some more woodchucks and I added a little bit more charcoal. And I spray it constantly with my apple cider vinegar and my apple juice. Yeah, man, I'm gonna let it cook for 2 more hours. But so far, that bad boy is turning out really, really good. Yep. Every now and then, I just come out here and I put some charcoal, a little bit of charcoal in here, and I add some more of that apple wood. So, yeah, everything coming along good for Christmas dinner, y'all. All right. I'll see y'all in a little while. Back in the kitchen. What's up, fam? That chicken is done, man. And when I say it tastes just like that apple wood, and with that apple juice and that the apple cider vinegar, man, this thing is good. I don't have to put nothing on there, no sauce, nothing. Man, it tastes so good, man. Oh my God, the flavors is just in there, man. I bet you if I cut it open and taste a piece right now, I could taste the doggone seasoning and everything right through the meat. That's how good it's smoked. Yeah, this bad boy came out 100% better than what I thought. And this is my first time making a whole chicken on a smoker grill. I don't know what I'm gonna make next, but this right here came out very, very good, very juicy. Everything is done, and now I'm about to make some banana pudding. But this it came out very good. And I'm about to add the greens inside the crock pot. Let them doggone cook slow too. Cause that meat, I know that meat should be falling off the bone by now. So we should see. But yeah. So I want y'all to get this video up to over 100 likes, y'all. This is an amazing video today. I did a really, really good job by myself. And I deserve it. What y'all think? Oh shit, I gotta pick Monique up. Oh shit.